Seems like there's major trouble heading the BCCI's way as the standing committee slams the cricket board. Sports Minister Ajay Maken is sure to use these revelations to push for greater government control over cricket, as investigations are to be completed in 6 months. Top BCCI bosses have a tough road ahead.
Cricket and IPL's economic and financial wrongdoings must be examined. The game's image must not be tarnished due to off-field events. Powerful words used by the Parliament Standing Committee, investigating the tax exemptions given to the BCCI. Stating that the Indian board needs to get its house in order. Findings are part of the same report, in which BCCI President-elect N. Srinivasan admitted that the board cannot shift all blame on the exiled former chairman Lalit Modi. The committee has noted that the board had been enjoying questionable tax benefits, having got exemption to the tune of rupees 225 crore rupees before 2007, and having submitted out of the rupees 118 crore that was demanded in 2007. Moreover, out of the rupees 375 crore tax that was demanded in 2 years from 2007 to 2009, the BCCI has paid only rupees 249 crores. The committee added that it was astonished that the Income Tax Department could not finalize the assessment of income of BCCI for the last 3 years. The IPL finances have been severely criticized. The BCCI and IPL have paid only rupees 5 crore as service tax out of the demanded rupees 160 crore payable from franchisee fees and sale of advertisement space, etc. With the tax evasion net now exposed, the committee maintains that current BCCI bosses cannot pass the buck on one person.
Lalit Modi is one of them. But how entire responsibility has been shifted to the Lalit Modi only? And why they didn't stop if the Lalit Modi has been doing all undo? Why they were enjoying all this cynically created by the Lalit Modi?
Parliamentary committee has now asked the investigating agencies to look into the matters relating to the breach of law and punish those responsible, without any further loss of time. Sports Minister Ajay Maken is sure to use these revelations to push for greater government control over cricket.
How these people are violating one after another laws of this land, and nobody is taking any action. Crores of rupees, just crores of rupees of taxpayer. This is a taxpayer's money.
The investigations are to be completed in 6 months. Top BCCI bosses have a tough road ahead. Sports Bureau, Times Now.